welcome to the channel. This is Jacqui Hodges, where I encourage you to love the skin that you're in. Today, we're gonna do something new. We're gonna talk about the Empties. About the Empties. And when I say Empties, I mean the empty containers. So the first product that I have that I want to mention is this Wax Blast number 10 by Redken. This is a product that it says high impact finishing spray wax. I did love it so much that I did replace it with a full-size bottle. And so what this does, especially if you have hair, I don't know that you would use it on curly hair at all, but on straight or coarse hair, or I think even fine hair. I have really fine hair, but sometimes I want it to feel kind of grainy, if that makes sense. A little bit piecey, a little bit just thicker. And this Wax Blast makes my hair not look like all soft and feathery all the time. I was introduced to it when my hair was a lot shorter, but I am still loving it for kind of this more of a bob style as well. So definitely replaced this. The next thing that I emptied out called Intense Repair Treatment from Monat. And Monat is a direct sales company that sells natural skincare products. And this is a repair treatment, and it's Monat is modern natural. That's what it stands for. This product helps stimulates the natural regeneration of hair follicles. And so I went through a season where my hair was just breaking off and falling out, and it just was really unhealthy. I had long hair. This was long before I made a YouTube video. I had hair that was about this long, and I really think it was stress and hormones, but my hair just started like breaking. And anyway, I ended up having to get it cut really, really short, and it still wasn't very healthy then. And it was short on layers. And so I started on Monat's, their intense repair, like skincare or hair care regimen. And it was 3 different steps. And it worked really, really well. And I stuck with it probably through a year worth of hair regeneration. And I'm done with that system now. I'm not using regularly any Monat products. But this intense repair treatment was one that I do know it really helped to stimulate hair growth. And you can kind of see, let's see. I don't know if you can tell in this video, but yesterday I had these little shorter hairs that were like bangs. You can kind of see them right there. This is new growth. This is all new growth from the Monat hair care system. How my hair is styled today, I've pushed all that underneath. But all of that is new hairs from when I was using the Monat system. And so if you are looking for, if your hair is just like thinning and unhealthy, and you've tried things and you're like, I don't know what to do about that, I highly recommend Monat. And I have somebody in my life that she's a great consultant at helping you know what system you would need for your hair. I'll link her Instagram in the comments below so that you could go find her, because she would be a great resource for you to reach out to. Tell me about your hair. Are you 40? At the time I was 35, I wasn't nursing or pregnant anymore. And my hair just had a total like freak out, and it was bad. I was almost ready to wear a wig and my hair is pretty thin anyway. And it was a season that was like, oh, anybody been there? Have you been there where hormones or stress or something has just like trashed your hair? That's where I was. Tell me in the comments if that has happened to you. But this product really helped me. I'm out of it now. It's empty, and I don't think I'll replace it. I'm pretty okay with how my hair, I actually like how my hair is looking now. And I will say you do get what you pay for with this product. And so it is high quality, high end. And the price tag does reflect that versus what you're looking at Walmart or Target. but it works. It really, really worked. If you need regeneration of new hair growth and you want a product that you know is safe for, it's non-toxic, I'd recommend this. That's one more product about hair, and then we'll move on. You're like, I didn't know Jacqui talked about hair. She usually is talking about skincare and makeup. Well, hair is part of beauty. Biotin vitamin supplements for skin and hair health, empty, and I definitely replace this. I take a biotin vitamin every night now, and it has helped make my hair stronger. I feel like it grows faster, and it also helps my nails be a little bit stronger. I can tell when I have been off of this for a couple weeks, like I ran out last time and my hair was just starting to, I could just tell. And so I recommend this. This is cheap. These are cheap. Biotin vitamins are not, they're a supplement that is not expensive. If you're just looking to grow your hair out, and that is really why I've consistently stayed taking these, even though I'm not on that more regimented hair care system. I want my hair to grow longer and healthier, and my hair is pretty slow growing, and these vitamins do help it. So anybody, are you watching and you're like, I am growing my hair out right now? Do you have any tricks or anything that is helping you feel like you're seeing growth faster? So definitely replace this. All right. Now let's move on to some more fun things. I mean, hair stuff is fun stuff. Okay, Timewise Repair Volu-Firm Night Treatment with Retinol. But I am no longer using a night treatment with retinol anymore. This jar became empty and I just didn't replace it because now I am using a 5% retinol treatment on my skin, and oh my goodness, look at it, just look at it. I absolutely love Mary Kay Clinical Solutions Retinol. It's a more pure dermatological retinol. Oh, wow. It has, I just feel like my skin speaks for itself. It looks really, really great. And it created some fast cell turnover, brightened my skin tone. And so I was already using a tiny bit of retinol in this product, but retinol, it has to be like really watered down for you to be able to use it regularly, unless you know how to use it when it's a greater strength. So I don't think that you get tons of benefit when using retinol in a cream like this. Now that I know what I know about the pure retinol, I would say if you had to choose between a retinol like night cream and Retinol Clinical Solutions Pure Retinol, I would take the plunge and go with the Clinical Solutions Pure Retinol. Have you used any kind of product with retinol on your face? And what was your experience? Now, for the pure forms of retinol, you can't just like put it on and be like, oh, here I go. No, your skin has to get used to it. This, you can just pump it and put it on, and you might be a little dry the next morning, but your skin is not gonna flake, and you're not gonna see the results as what you would with pure retinol. So once I started on the big boy, the Retinol Clinical Solutions, I ditched this, and now I'm just using a more gentler age-fighting night cream. So not replacing this in my bathroom. Timewise Repair Skincare Collection from Mary Kay is our most advanced age-fighting skincare collection, and I do use products from that collection. This is the Volu-Firm Eye Renewal Cream, empty. I squeezed it for all it's worth. It has a metal applicator, and so when you use this like so, it kind of acts like a jade roller does, soothes and takes down puffiness and increases circulation when you're applying that. For some reason, when I ran out of this, I had been teaching and training a lot on another skincare collection called the Timewise 3D collection. And it too, it's for the beginning signs of aging. The Timewise Repair collection is for those who want to like fight out the advanced signs of aging on their skin. So one's for prevention and one's for repair. The 3D is more for prevention. And so I was in a season of just training all the time on the preventative measures of Timewise 3D. So once this ran out, I was like, I'm gonna just use the Timewise 3D eye cream and see how I feel about it. And it's okay. It is okay, especially if you're not using an eye cream yet. The Timewise 3D eye cream would be great, but the Timewise Repair eye cream is the bomb.com of Mary Kay collection eye creams. And I did not replace it this time because I replaced it with something else. And I'm just aware of financial things. You know, I want to use up something once I get it. And so I really want to switch back over to this, but I'm going to wait till my other eye cream is used up because it's good enough. It's good enough. But I will tell you that after this other one's used up, I will go back to this and I will never switch eye creams. I guess I can't say never, but the Timewise Repair, it brightens dark circles. It helps with puffiness. It moisturizes the eye area. It fights fine lines and wrinkles, repairs fine lines and wrinkles, and I feel like it even adds lift. Plus, it has that metal applicator that really helps give refreshment to this area. So I didn't. I replaced it with another eye cream, but I wish that I hadn't. And so I am going back to the Timewise Repair. This is called the Timewise Repair Deep Wrinkle Filler, and I use it on my forehead lines mostly. There's a little line right here that I use it on, but it has hyaluronic acid in it. Baby. This is the only product in Mary Kay that has hyaluronic acid. I know surely they're going to bring us something else with hyaluronic acid, but I use this to fill in the lines and build up the skin cells in the deep lines. If you have lines coming that you're like, I don't like it, this is an amazing product for that. Besides the fact that it helps to rebuild some skin cells there with the hyaluronic acid, increasing collagen production in that area of the skin, it also has little microspheres that help to bend. I just spit when I spoke. It helps to bend light back out of the like dark little crevice, and it brings brightness to that area of your skin so that it makes that wrinkle almost like look invisible while you're wearing this. Okay. But I ran out like the week before I was getting Botox on my forehead, and I didn't replace it. So I will go ahead and tell you about that. I have had Botox in this section of my forehead. There's still just a very vague little line right there, but you can go back and look at my videos from 6 months ago and you can see more line. And so this is my second time to get Botox, and I am a big advocate of Botox. I like Botox. It's not a big deal. It does not hurt that bad. I mean, it's just like very beneficial, and I just really don't like those forehead lines. So when my Botox is starting to kind of wear off a little bit, and maybe I don't want to get another injection just yet because and I'm starting to see a little bit more line there than what I want, then I will start using the deep wrinkle filler to soften it until my next Botox treatment. But for now, I'm not needing this because Botox filled it in and saved the day. Brow pencil. Okay, so this is a blonde eyebrow pencil. I never had really used an eyebrow pencil much. And then I watched a YouTuber, Brooke Fernandez. I'll link her here too. If you want to know how to do amazing brows and even eye makeup looks, go follow her YouTube channel. And she is amazing on teaching how to do brows. And so she recommended I use a brow pencil. And so I followed her instructions, and I loved the brows that I had when I was doing what she asked. And I did it long enough to use up one blonde brow pencil. This is just a mechanical pencil. And I was also using tinted brow gel with it, which is what I have on right now. And okay, so tell me, what do you do on your brows? What do you do on your brows? Do you do anything on your brows? Some people fill in with the pencil. Some people use like a tinted brow gel like I did. Some people use eyeshadow. What do you do on your brows? Anyway, Brooke said, use the pencil, showed me how to do it, and then showed me how to use the brow tint. And I did it, and it was just a little bit of an extra step, but I did it and loved it. And then I ran out of brow pencil and just didn't replace it and went back just to using my brow tint. And so I'm give or take on this. If you are into like a really done brow, then you need a brow pencil such as so. Mary Kay has lots different shades. This is blonde. I feel like most people can fill in brows with blonde or dark blonde. And so brow pencil, I'm not replacing this right now, but you know, in a couple months, I might be like, I'm ready to do something more with my brows, and I'll replace it. Last thing on the empties for this time is the Mary Kay Perfecting Concealer in Deep Ivory. Deep Ivory. I use concealer on my eyes right in this area. I use it here. Sometimes I use it also for highlighting here, 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 here. I did replace this. I'm wearing it right now. I love this concealer. It is not thick and heavy, and you can't even, some concealers, like, you can see it's like thicker or heavier than your makeup when you put it around your eyes. This is not like that. And so I definitely replaced this. I like either Deep Ivory or Light Beige for my skin tone, depending on what time of year it is. Do you use concealer? And if so, how do you use it? If any of the products, the hair products, I'll link in the description of this video today so you can get some of those. I will also link the products that I showed that I have been using from Mary Kay. I'll link all of them so that you may, like, just because I emptied it and didn't replace it, doesn't mean you wouldn't want to. And you can do all that through my shopping link in this description. Thanks for watching. Do you like it? Did you like the empties, seeing what kind of products I was using? I would love to know, what things did you empty last month and what'd you replace, and what are you like, that was not worth the money, or I'm not doing that again. If you are not a member of the Confident Beauty Collective, I want to encourage you to go to the description and click the tab so that you can come on in and join me there and the rest of the women in the collective. It is an encouraging, positive place where you can grow in the self-care practice of mind, body, and spirit. I just wanted to give you a personal invitation there if I hadn't done that lately. Don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, and share it with the women in your life that you talk beauty with. Until next time.